Looks like this woodpecker's messing with the squirrel over here. Where'd he go? Oh, I'm scared of him. There he is. Oh, fuck, check him out, dude. He's cool as hell, ain't he? It's gotta be a male. That's bright. That's a bright red. There he is, pecking. Peck away, peckerhead. Haha. Damn, peckerhead. Yeah. What a beautiful bird, huh? Oh, see that wood go flying? Spooked him. No, he's still there. There's two of them. Gorgeous bird. Seriously, man, pretty bird. I wonder if the other one that was with him was a female. Shit, he's going way over there, and the other